Hi, my name is Mio and I'm here to talk to you about my project, which is called Ice. Ice is a task runner for the internet computer, similar to Hardhat. It allows you to build, deploy, and script your canisters with the full power of TypeScript. The goal is to give the IC the best developer experience in all of Web3. So, if you're built on the IC, you know that deployment usually becomes difficult once the project grows a bit. You have to write scripts in a language like Bash with no types, no autocomplete, and manually written candid strings. Reusing canisters from multiple repos is difficult and time-consuming. You often have to go to a README and follow a long list of steps just to get something running. And because of all of this, it's difficult to share each other's work and build tooling for common tasks. So, ICE has a different philosophy. Every project is fully self-contained and local. You can have as many repos as you like without any risk of them clashing. Your setups are composable. You can just import other configs and pick and choose what you like from them. Ice has a small but powerful API surface. It's easy to learn, but fully programmable for more advanced use cases. So, let's take a look what using Ice looks like in practice. So, we have a basic repo here with a Motoko canister and some TypeScript config. Let's start by installing the basic dependencies. Next, we need to create our Ice config file. And now let's import the basic dependencies. Now let's create our Ice config. We're going to set this as the local network and set the replica as a Pocket IC replica. Now let's create some users. Let's just import some DFX users. Now let's add our canister. This is just a very basic greeting canister. Now let's deploy our canister. As you can see, it downloaded Pocket IC in the background. And now we have our canister deployed. Now let's create a task for it to see that it works. So we pass our canister as the dependency and define the logic inside of run. So here we get access to all the tasks dependencies, and these are fully typed. Now let's run the task. And it works. So as you can see, we're using the VS Code extension to run the tasks from inside of the editor. Alright, so now let's import another canister from our canisters package. And we're gonna need the principal from the Definity principles. Now we can just define it like this. So as you can see, it's very easy to abstract away the logic of different canisters. So yeah, let's create a task to mint some tokens. And as you can see, the canister is already fully typed. So let's look at the signature. There we go. And now we need to pass in the right format. So we're gonna take our user from the context. And let's make ourselves rich. So the transfer succeeded, but let's verify that it works. We're just gonna copy paste this task and create another one to check the balance. And let's just copy this as well. So it seems to be working, but let's double check. Alright, so I really hope you liked what you saw. If you want the full docs, you can find them here. The repo is also on GitHub. There's a lot more stuff that we didn't cover in this demo. I just released version 0.1, so it's still early days for Ice. But I have a lot of ideas on how to take this further. And you can influence the direction of Ice. Just send me a message, post on the forums, or whatever you prefer. And I'm very thankful for any kind of feedback, good or bad. So yeah, that's it for me. Thanks and bye.